Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys these two products that I use, which is Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. I had the shampoo and the jelly to cream conditioner. So basically I had the aloe and I had the rose water and glycerin. So I mean I should have had the same, but I'll just give it a try. Hopefully my hair will love it. So first things first, I will go to water my hair because my hair is very tangled. I had on two pups with loop braids on top, and basically I'm dealing with my shedding. And as you can see, my hair, it used to be aquamarine like dark blue, but now it's turned to blue green. So I'm just going to water my hair, water my strands in order for me to get the get rid of the tangles and knots. At some point it would take a lot of time, so I'm just going to do half and half because my hair is really thick, and basically my hair sheds a lot. Like, I couldn't stand how my hair sheds so badly. It's been like a whole year. I think I just like color too much, but I'm just gonna give it a try. No, take a break for coloring for maybe a month. So I'm going to start with the aloe shampoo. So basically I think it's made out of aloe vera, micellar water, where you could remove the makeup, and basically it's for, like, you could use it for one wash. And what I did is I'm just going to massage my scalp and lather my scalp first because my scalp is very dry. I deal with dry scalp. No matter how hard I try to get rid of it, it still come back like flakes, like big flakes. I don't know if I have paralysis, but it's not paralysis, it's just dandruff, which means that I have lack of moisturizing my hair and my scalp, or maybe I don't know, just being lazy. Just, you know how lazy natural are, as you can see. So I'm just gonna use an amount because, to be honest, I feel like the shampoo feels so clean, and it feels like my hair is sticking up, but it gives a nice lather. I could really say that it's really have a nice lather. So I'm just going to focus on my scalp first before I even focus on my hair strands, because my scalp is the only thing I had to worry about, because it drives me crazy when I had dry scalp. So I really love the formula. It's like water to foam shampoo, and I also had an applicator, so it will be more easier than the shampoo, like regular shampoo. They don't have an applicator, so I really love that. I'm just going to use my massager to, try to have an extra boost to it to get all the buildup. I think I had the clay mask and I had a residue on my scalp, so it's very hard for me to get rid of it. So as you can see, I'm still using a little amount to have, have more lather to it. Like I said, it just feels stripped, which I just don't like it. I just don't like how shampoo feel stripped, as you can see. As you guys didn't know, that I just like officially shaved my head for a whole year, and it finally grew back, and I will show you the length. I don't know if my hair is on the neck length. I think it's on the neck length because I have a hard time for me to grow my hair. I've done everything I could, so it's very struggling. But if you guys see my old natural hair videos, I will put a link in the bio so you guys see what's the difference. And then I'm just going to wash it out. But let me tell you something. It's very hard to wash it out, like rinse it out because I just don't like I said, I don't like the strip feeling, but it will leave my hair very clean, and it's like it has a nice feeling, but it make my hair and my scalp very clean. So after that, I'm going to use jelly to cream conditioner mixed with rose water and glycerin. So what my first impression is that the first is like the jelly texture. It feels like petroleum jelly, and I know they had no petroleum, no mineral oil and stuff like that, but it just feels like petroleum jelly, to be honest with you. But what it glides in it's like melts like butter. It has tons of slip and also locked in moisturized, and this is like, honestly, it's like my new favorite conditioner I ever invested in. I just really love how it has a nice slip, so I ain't gonna lie to you about that. But then my hair still sheds a lot badly. Like when it's like sheds, it sheds like I can easily try like that. But and then I'm just gonna rinse it out. So I'm gonna give the shampoo 7 out of 10. It make my hair very stripped, and I just don't like the feeling, but it will leave my hair nice and clean. But the conditioner 8 out of 10 because it had a nice slip and it's very moisturizing, so my hair absolutely loves it, so I approve. And also it's $10.99, so you can get it at Target, Walmart, or I don't know, maybe it had Amazon. But and now my hair is feel nice and clean. It has a nice definition. And then I go on with my deep conditioner for at least almost 2 hours, which I did. Next up, I'm going to use my Rosemary and Mint hair growth oil. I'm just going to be more consistent with my scalp massage because I used to do that sometimes I don't, but I'm just going to do it because I want to try the oil to see how my hair will grow. And then my style is Bantu knot because I did braidos, twists, cornrows, like that's like it's like a protective style. So Bantu knot would be my fourth. Ever since I shaved my hair finally grew. So I'm just gonna put a little gel and twist it and twirl it and put a little rubber band on, and then I'm just going to use my edge control and to put my scalp so it won't have flyaways. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will make natural hair content soon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all. Oh, also don't forget, follow me on TikTok for more content. Alright, see you guys. Bye.